There was a time when CDs and DVDs dominated the era, not just for gaming and software, but also for streaming, music, and almost everything else. I remember when an entire shelf in some houses was dedicated to CDs and DVDs, and for any road trip, people would burn entire mixes into CDs. However, over time, their popularity declined for multiple reasons. People now prefer alternative methods for streaming and entertainment. But in this video, I am going to reveal why I believe CDs and DVDs are making a comeback. You might be wondering, in an era dominated by digital streaming, why are people suddenly returning to physical media? Is it just nostalgia or is there something bigger happening? Let's find out. Let's understand the rise and fall of CDs and DVDs. Just as CDs and DVDs replaced cassettes, which lacked crystal clear audio, they too have been replaced by modern streaming services. In the 1990s and 2000s, CDs and DVDs dominated the market, providing the best alternative to VHS tapes. Owning a collection wasn't just about entertainment, it was a statement. The market revenue for CDs and DVDs was $3.47 billion in the 1990s, growing over 4 times that amount in the 2000s. However, their popularity declined with the rise of digital streaming services like Spotify, Netflix, and Apple Music. Although some people continued using CDs and DVDs, their numbers dwindled even further during the COVID-19 pandemic. But in 2021, there was a glimpse of revival. New albums and re-releases from major artists such as Adele, Taylor Swift, and BTS caused CD sales to increase for the first time in almost 20 years. Let's discuss why are they coming back. There are multiple reasons why CDs and DVDs are making a comeback in 2025. You might think it's just a nostalgia, and while nostalgia plays a role, it's only a minor factor. Just like vinyl records made a surprising resurgence, CDs and DVDs are being rediscovered by a newer generation. People want something tangible and something personal. But the major reasons are ownership and quality. Streaming comes with multiple issues. The major one being compression, which reduces audio and video quality, and when you stream, a constant internet connection is required and content can disappear from platforms overnight. With CDs and DVDs, none of these problems exist. You can play them whenever you want, no internet required, no need to worry about losing access to your favorite content. Another factor is cost. Streaming services require a monthly subscription fee. While it may not seem like a large expense, having to pay it every month can become frustrating and annoying. In contrast, with CDs and DVDs, you pay just once and own them forever. Then you might be thinking that who's leading this comeback? Unsurprisingly, some of your favorite artists and filmmakers. In 2023, Taylor Swift sold around 800,000 copies of CDs, achieving the biggest CD sales week in over 7 years. Her official store continues to sell many copies of her most famous albums. Similarly, BTS and Adele still sell millions of CDs worldwide. Even gaming companies are embracing physical media again, as players push back against digital-only releases. A recent report by French SNEP suggests that younger generations are leading the revival of physical media. According to the report, 43% of CD buyers are under 35 years old. An additional 20% are between 35 and 44 years old. Interestingly, these younger generations are also among the most active users of streaming platforms. This suggests that despite the dominance of digital streaming service, there is a strong chance that CDs and DVDs will make comeback in the market. But at the end, it's probably not making the same resurgence as in 2000. But one thing is proof that physical media still matters. As long as people crave nostalgia, high quality content, and the joy of owning something real, CDs and DVDs will always have a place. Don't forget to tell us in comments what do you think about this comeback. And recently, this news was also revolving that floppy disks are also making comeback. And to know about this, just watch this video. Make sure to subscribe the channel for more tech documentaries. Peace out.